Today we are going to understand Java exception handling in a simple and clear way. First, what is an exception? An exception is an error that occurs during program execution. It interrupts the normal flow of the program. For example, dividing a number by 0, accessing an invalid array index, or trying to open a file that does not exist. Now, why do we need exception handling? Because we don't want our program to crash. Exception handling helps us maintain normal program flow, show meaningful error messages, and improve reliability. There are two main types of exceptions in Java. First, checked exceptions. These are checked at compile time. For example, IO exception. Second, unchecked exceptions. These occur at runtime. For example, arithmetic exception. Now let's understand the basic structure. We use try, catch, and finally. The try block contains risky code that may cause an exception. For example, if we write int result equals 10 divided by 0, it will cause an arithmetic exception. To handle this, we use a catch block. The catch block catches and handles the exception. Instead of crashing, the program prints a safe message like, cannot divide by 0. Next is the finally block. The finally block always executes whether an exception occurs or not. It is mainly used to close files, database connections, or release resources. Java also allows multiple catch blocks. This means we can handle different exceptions separately, like arithmetic exception and array index out-of-bounds exception. Now let's understand the throw keyword. Throw is used to manually create and throw an exception. For example, if age is less than 18, we can throw an exception saying, not eligible to vote. Next is the throws keyword. Throws is used in the method declaration to tell the compiler that this method may throw an exception. It is commonly used with checked exceptions like IO exception. Java also allows us to create custom exceptions. We can create our own exception class by extending the exception class. This is very useful for business logic validations. Think of an ATM machine as a real-life example. If you enter a wrong PIN, it shows an error message. If balance is low, it shows another message. But the machine does not crash. That is exception handling. So to summarize, exception means runtime error. Try contains risky code. Catch handles the error. Finally always runs. Throw manually throws an exception. Throws declares an exception. Exception handling makes Java programs safe, reliable, and professional. Thank you for learning. Like, share, subscribe for more.